Hello my dear student of class 6. This is our mathematics class and welcome to our online classes. Now today I will continue this exercise number 3.2 and this is part 4. So I start from math number 10. In math number 10 that said express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Odd primes. Odd prime means odd primes. Prime number are starting from number 2, but 2 is an even number. So odd prime means it is starting from number 3, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Now we express the number 21 as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. So nearest number 21. Yes, prime number, odd prime number 21, this is 19. But if we add 19 plus 2, then we get 21. But 2 is not a odd prime number. So next prime number nearest 21 is 17. If we add 5, then we get 21. But that said that 21 is expressed the sum of 3 odd prime numbers, not 2. So next prime number given 11. Now you know that 11 plus 10, this is 21. Here 11 is an odd prime number. So we express 10 as sum of 2 odd prime number. So 10 equals to, we write this as 7 plus 3, or you should write this 10 as 5 plus 5. Both are right. So 21 equals to 11 plus 7 plus 3. This is the required answer. We express 21 as sum of 3 odd primes number. You also try this at your home and express 21 in another way. Now next we try number B, 31. Now 31. The nearest prime number 31 is 29 plus 2, 31 plus 2 is not odd prime, so you cancel it. We take next prime number 23. 23 plus 8, this is 31. Here we express 8 as a sum of 2 odd primes number. Now express 8 as 8 equals to 3 plus 5. This is the sum of 2 odd primes number. So we write 8 as 3 plus 5. So 31 equals to 23 plus 3 plus 5. This is a way to express 31 as a sum of 3 odd primes number. Now you should try at your home 10 number C and D. Now next number 11. In 11 has said write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. So first we take the prime numbers less than 20 are the prime numbers less than 20 are 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. These are the prime numbers less than 20. Now we express these as a sum of two prime numbers which sum is divisible by 5. Now divisible by 5. So this is a multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 are 5 are also 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. So first we express 5 as a sum of two prime numbers from this. Now here we see that we can't express the number 5 this. Now here said 5 pairs of prime numbers. So prime numbers, not odd prime. So this is starting from number 2. Here said prime numbers, not odd prime. So we express 5 as a sum of two prime numbers from this. So 5 means 2 plus 3. So this is an pair 2, 3 because 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. So this is a one pair. Now we choose next pair. Next pair means 10. We express the 10 as a sum of these prime numbers. Now 10 means 7 plus 3 tens. So 7 plus 3, here 7 and 3. So 3 and 7 next pair because 10 is divisible by 5. Now we choose next pair from 15. Now we express 15 as a sum of two prime numbers. So 15 means 7, 13 plus 2, 13 plus 2, this is 15, that 13 and 2. So next pair is 2 and 13. Or you should write this as 13, 2. This is a pair. Now next pair we choose from 20. We express 20 as a sum of two prime numbers. 20, so 17 plus 3, 20. This is less than 20. Here all prime numbers are less than 20. So 20 equals to 17 plus 3. This is another pair. Now we express 20 in another way. This is 20 equals to 13 plus 7. So 13 plus 7, this is also 20 and 20 is divisible by 5. So next pair is 13, 7. These are the 5 pairs of prime numbers whose sum is divisible by 5. So this is the required answer. So 5 pairs of prime numbers whose sum is divisible by 5 are this. That means 2, 3 in the bracket, next 3, 7 in the bracket, 2, 13, 3, 17, 13, 7. Now these are the 5 pairs. So sum is divisible by 5. Now you also make another pair less than 20. and whose sum is divisible by 5. Now this is number 10. 11. Now next, in number 12, here given some sentence and fill in the blanks. 12a. A number which has only two factors is called a. Now in the previous classes we already discussed about prime numbers. Prime number means a number starting from number 2. Another except one starting from number 2 and which have factor only two factors. This is the numbers only itself and 1. Suppose 23. Here factors of 23 are 1 and the number itself. So this is called prime number. So a number which has only two factors is called a prime number. Now next number B. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Composite number. A number which have two factors, this is called prime numbers, and more than two factors, this is called composite number. Now next number C. 1 is neither. Now we know that 1 is neither prime neither composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now next number D. The smallest prime number is. So smallest prime number is number 2. 2 is the smallest even prime number because all prime numbers are odd except 2. 2 is even prime numbers. The smallest composite number is. Composite number means which have more than two factors. So 1 is not prime, neither prime neither composite. 2 is an even composite number, prime number. This is the smallest prime number. Number 3. 3 is odd prime numbers. And 4. 4 have the factors 1, 2 and also 4. So 4 have factors more than 2. This has 3 factors. So 4 is the smallest composite number. The smallest composite number is 4 and the smallest prime number is 2. Number 8. The smallest even number is. This is also 2 because 2 is smallest prime number and this is even. So smallest prime number is also 2. So this is number 12. Now next we should discuss about the divisibility. So thank you.